Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Oldbarn Homestead channel. My name is Gary and I just uploaded a video on the Turbo Cobra channel about this vise. So if you want to go see the actual build on this thing, there's video over there on it, and there's a couple of demonstrations of crushing this pipe and some other stuff. And you maybe have already watched that and you're coming over here from that channel, and that's cool. So I thought I'd take a little bit more time here to just kind of talk about a couple of things on it. This is the 5-inch version of the clamp. There's an 8 and a 12. I've got the pricing and everything on my website, where you can buy just the clamp, or you can buy the clamp and kit together as one unit. Now, if you do that, you're gonna get those sold to you or shipped to you separately. I'll be making these and shipping them out of here, my shop, and these will drop ship directly from Diamide themselves. And the price that I'm including is the same price that they're selling for on their website. So, you know, either way you want to do it is fine. If you just want to buy the clamp, you can buy it from them, or you can buy it from me. It's the same price either way. Now, if you buy the kit, what you're going to get is just the plasma cut pieces, and they're going to look like they come right off the plasma table with a hot roll mill scale. I went ahead and removed the mill scale on these just to kind of for the video to make them look a little nicer. And you can certainly do that as well. I've got a video coming out here in a day or two on actually removing the mill scale with muriatic acid. So check that out if you want to. There is no fasteners included with the kit. All you're getting is the pre-cut pieces, and the kit is, even though this version does not have it, the CAD is going to be modified to include tab and slot. So the gussets and the vertical uprights will mount to the base with tab and slot to help you locate it and easier to get it set up to weld it. The kit also will not come with fasteners. And what I used on this and the original build plans, drawings on this, called for the socket head cap screws. These are 5/8 by 1. They fit in the holes of a Certiflat table, and they should fit the holes of a strong hand table as well, and maybe other tables out there. Now, if you don't have a fixture table, you could still mount this to a regular, you know, flat bench top. You could drill and tap holes. You could actually, you know, weld it, you know, if you wanted to leave it there permanently. If you buy the kit, I'm not including any fasteners in it, and I was originally going to add fasteners, but you know, these things are not cheap. This is like $1.50 a piece right here, so you're looking at you know, $6 worth of fasteners for this. And you know, a lot of people have just random fasteners laying around. You don't actually have to use 5/8 hardware. You could use 1/2-inch hardware, bolt it down good. There's no reason why that wouldn't work as well if you wanted to do that. The through bolts are just 1/2-inch bolts, and from the factory, Diamide puts into the clamp itself some holes here, and these holes are, God dang it, these are 1/2-inch holes, so you know that's where you catch that, just those bolt through like that. And you know, if you're thinking, you know, gosh, that looks like just a regular can't twist clamp, I can assure you that these are far from what a can't twist clamp is. The main difference is the actual nut itself, and you know, the super fine threads that they're using. I don't know the details on the thread pitch, but if you'll notice on this one, it actually has 2 nuts. So you know, when you're clamping on this, you're screwing against one nut there, and on this they have the threads are going opposite direction. They have a right and left-handed thread and 2 nuts captured in there. And then if you notice this here, you know, there's no, you know, they give you a little spacer in there, but if you notice on the Diamide clamp, there's a plate in there, you know, that's spanning across all that to give it a lot of extra support all the way around. So $100 bucks, you know, I think this is a really sweet deal. I don't know, you know, how they're manufactured or where the manufacturing is done, but I could tell you that if I was going to try to, you know, be in a little small shop, knowing what it takes to kind of try to bring a product to market and all that, there's a lot in this right here for $100. There'd be no way I could actually make something like this for $100. Obviously, there's, you know, some production work going into that. So anyway, I just thought I would make this separate video showing a little bit more details about it. The one thing that I thought would be really cool that I'm probably going to add on mine are, and I only have one of these, so I've got to order another one, but some quick connect detent, you know, aircraft style clamps, or, you know, these are used in various kinds of equipment and so forth. But if you have these locked in here, actually that one won't work with my, it's I didn't even do a test fit. It's a little bit too, let's see. All right, so I need to open the hole up on my plasma cut there a little bit. It will fit in here with a good fit. That being a plasma cut edge, just need to touch it up a little bit with a grinder to get that to fit. See, it may go in there, yeah, so it'll go in this one. So the nice thing about that is, you know, if you want to use this in a portable way where you could take it on and off really quickly, you know, just pop the pin out and you can take this and you know, clamp it to something else or use it however you need to use it. And then when you get ready to put it back in, you know, same thing, just go back in with it. So that was my only thought, is I've left all the hardware out, one, to make the kit cheaper, and two, a lot of people have fasteners just laying around, so why would I, you know, sell another $10 worth of bolts, or in this case, I don't know how much those are, they're probably about 10 or 15 bucks a piece, you know, and double and triple the price of a kit. So when you get the kit, it's going to be hot rolled steel. It may have a little dross on it. You may have to clean up the holes a little bit with a carbide burr, just, you know, kind of clean them up a little bit. But in general, you know, this is kind of how they're going to come. And again, they'll be tab and slot, weld them together, boom, you're in business. So go check out the other video if you didn't already see that. Check out my website if you want to buy it. Go to their website. They have a lot of specs. Keith Fenner did a cool video showing this, lifting up the back of a truck.